Temperature offset function, SD Amigo panel. The Svebadahlen Deckoven with SD Amigo panel is supplied with a factory preset temperature control featuring an offset temperature for the bottom heat. The Deckoven baking chamber has two temperature sensors, one measuring the baking chamber temperature and one measuring the bottom heat temperature. Using the bottom heat offset display, you set the temperature the bottom heat should have in relation to the set baking temperature. This value can be set as either positive or negative. For example, if the set temperature in the baking chamber is 200 degrees Celsius and the offset temperature is set to plus 40 degrees Celsius, the oven will target a bottom heat of 240 degrees Celsius. The recommended setting is plus 20 degrees Celsius when baking directly on the hearth and plus 60 degrees Celsius when using a baking screen. If possible, avoid a negative offset temperature, as this will in practice turn off the bottom heat. A high offset value may cause the baking chamber temperature to rise above the set baking temperature. For maximum control and best precision when using the offset temperature, we recommend the following power settings. Front heat equals 8. Top heat equals 10. And bottom heat equals 10. These values may need to be adjusted depending on what is being baked.